Hello, this is John D with Carl's Buick GMC. I just want to shoot you a real quick video of our 2016 brand new premium Buick Cascada. Obviously, as you can tell, this is a convertible, brand new to Buick's lineup. You can see back seat, two-seater cup holders, driver's seat. Comes equipped with navigation, heat seat, heated steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth, backup camera with backup sensors, and as you can see, the vehicle comes up, top comes up in just seconds. One touch operation and everything is done. You've got to come in and get this vehicle before it's sold. Give me a call, 772-287-2424. Again, this is John D at Carl's Buick GMC.